In this part, we are going to talk about the datetime modules. And so first we have to import the datetime, and then we can set the time which is the hours. This is the minute. So if you take a look at this, we can see this is 3 hours, 30 minutes, and 0 seconds. And you can get the minute portion by using time1.minute and time1.hour to get the hours. And then we can also not just set the hours and minutes, we can set the seconds and also the microseconds. So if you execute this line, you can see you can get time2.microsecond, which is 20. And again, if you print time 2 at here, you can see we can display the microseconds. So it will ignore this if there are no microseconds. And we can also set the to date by using datetime.date.today functions. And now we can get to date. And we can also print back today, and you can see it will in this format. And we can also, just like before, we can get the year portion, the month portions, and also the date portions. So you can see the year is 2022, and the month is 12, and today.day is 6. And we can also using the ctime format by just using .ctime. Now you can see we just not getting the time. Now you can see we only get 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds, and we will do it later. But you can see we can also get which day in the week, and this is Tuesday. And now we can set the time. So for example, we can see this is 2022, and then this is December, and this is 5th, and this is the 11 o'clock and 4 minutes and 12 seconds. So now if you print this again, you can see this is what it looks like if you just use print. And if you take a look at the ctime format, you can see now we have the hour, the minute, and also the second. And you can see this is Monday for the 5th of December. And we can also change the time by using the replace. So for example, you can replace the month. So now you can see this is 12 originally, and now this is 11. And not just replace the month, we can replace the month and minute together. So we can see the date time 2 is 11. This is November, and the minute is 10 minutes. Now if you change again, turn it to ctime format, you can see this is Saturday, and this is November, and you can see it also display the this is Saturday. So if you want to get the time difference, well, for example, we want to know the difference between datetime 1. The datetime 1 is December, 5th of December, and then this is 5th of November. Then you can see we can get it by using datetime 1 minus datetime 2. So the result is 29 days, and then this is 86,000 seconds. And then we can also change get the type by using type result, and you can get this is the datetime.timedelta. Now you can get the 29 days, but if you want to turn it all to seconds, you can get these numbers of seconds here. So this is how to use the datetime in Python.